As we dive into the biggest AI breakthroughs of Q1 2023, it's hard not to notice that one major announcement managed to fly under the radar. Google's recent unveiling of its latest language model, reportedly capable of generating human-like text with unparalleled efficiency, has left many scratching their heads. Why didn't this make headlines? According to sources close to the matter, the announcement was made at a private industry event in Silicon Valley, where only select attendees were privy to the news. While some speculate that Google's reluctance to publicize the breakthrough stems from concerns over market competition, others point to the sheer complexity of the technology involved. By all accounts, this new language model boasts remarkable capabilities, reportedly capable of generating text at speeds 10 times faster than its predecessor, with an accuracy rate that rivals even the most advanced AI systems. But what's truly astonishing is that Google isn't the only player in the field pushing the boundaries of what's possible with language processing. Microsoft has been quietly working on its own AI powerhouse, dubbed Llama, a neural network designed to rival even the likes of Google and Amazon in terms of sheer processing power. In fact, Llama boasts some remarkable stats, capable of generating 13 trillion parameters, making it one of the largest language models ever developed. This is significant not just because of its raw computational might, but also due to its potential applications in fields ranging from medicine to finance. By harnessing this kind of processing power, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identify complex patterns and make predictions with unprecedented accuracy. As we continue our journey through the biggest AI breakthroughs of Q1 2023, it becomes increasingly clear that Google's language model announcement is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. There are secrets waiting to be uncovered, innovations yet to be revealed, and it seems that this quarter has only just begun to scratch the surface of what's possible with artificial intelligence. The first quarter of 2023 has been a whirlwind of innovation in the world of artificial intelligence. Amidst all the fanfare surrounding AI's latest advancements, several breakthroughs have flown under the radar. One such example is Google's recent announcement of its new language model, PaLM 2. Developed by the company's DeepMind subsidiary, this model boasts an impressive 230 billion parameters, a staggering increase from its predecessor, making it one of the most complex models to date. However, despite its remarkable capabilities, the announcement received surprisingly little attention in mainstream media outlets. It seems that this achievement, along with several others, has been overshadowed by more sensationalized news stories. This begs the question, why are these significant breakthroughs being overlooked? One possible reason lies in the sheer volume of AI-related news flooding the internet. According to a recent report by VentureBeat, over 50 major AI-related announcements were made in just the first 2 months of this year alone. With so much information competing for our attention, it's easy to see how some stories might get lost in the shuffle. This is particularly true when it comes to more nuanced and technical topics like language models and their capabilities. To put things into perspective, consider the fact that Google's PaLM 2 announcement was made in a press release buried deep within the company's website. Compare this to the extensive coverage received by Meta's Llama 2 model, which generated significantly less impressive results but garnered far more attention from media outlets and tech enthusiasts alike. As we continue to delve into the world of AI, it becomes increasingly clear that there is more to these breakthroughs than meets the eye. In the next section, we'll explore some of the most significant developments that have flown under the radar this quarter, shedding light on their potential implications for the future of artificial intelligence. In the midst of the hubbub surrounding Meta's latest large language model announcement, Google quietly unveiled its own significant breakthrough in natural language processing. While the tech giant's advancements might not have received the same level of attention as their rivals, they are certainly worth noting. At the heart of Google's achievement lies a novel approach to neural architecture design, which enables its models to learn and adapt at an unprecedented rate. This innovative design allows for more efficient processing of complex linguistic patterns, resulting in significant improvements to language understanding and generation capabilities. According to internal sources, Google has made notable strides in reducing the computational overhead associated with training large-scale language models. By leveraging a combination of optimized algorithms and bespoke hardware configurations, researchers at Google were able to reduce training times by up to 50% while maintaining or even exceeding performance metrics. One particular model that exemplifies these advancements is Bloom 175B, a behemoth of a language processor boasting over 175 billion parameters. While not as large as Meta's model, which boasts an astonishing 560 billion parameters, Bloom 175b has shown remarkable proficiency in tasks such as question answering, text classification, and even creative writing. While the media attention has largely focused on Meta's endeavors, Google's developments have sparked intense interest within the AI research community. Experts are hailing these breakthroughs as a significant step forward in the pursuit of more efficient and effective language understanding systems. In fact, internal documents reveal that Google's researchers have been experimenting with novel techniques for improving model interpretability and explainability. This involves developing new algorithms for identifying and visualizing complex linguistic patterns, which could revolutionize our ability to understand how AI models arrive at their decisions. The implications of these advancements are far-reaching, with potential applications in fields such as natural language processing, text analysis, and even areas like content generation and recommendation systems. As we've established, Google's recent language model announcement barely made it to the headlines, despite being a significant breakthrough. This lack of attention is not just an oversight, but rather a symptom of the AI landscape shifting beneath our feet. The sheer volume and complexity of developments in Q1 2023 have left many wondering what's truly worthy of note. This synergy between language and protein structure prediction has profound implications for medicine and biology research. Imagine being able to analyze vast amounts of genetic data and predict the behavior of proteins at an unprecedented level of accuracy. The potential breakthroughs in disease treatment, gene editing, and even regenerative medicine are staggering. And yet, despite this remarkable achievement, it's been largely overlooked by mainstream media. One possible explanation for this lack of attention lies in the way AI research is disseminated. Google has long been accused of playing its cards close to its chest when it comes to AI developments. The company's tendency to quietly publish papers and patents without fanfare has become a hallmark of its approach. This strategy may be effective in maintaining a competitive edge, but it also contributes to the public's perception that AI research is happening behind closed doors. The consequences of this silence are far-reaching. As AI continues to infiltrate every aspect of our lives, it's crucial that we understand what's being developed and why. The lack of transparency surrounding Google's Gemini announcement only serves to fuel speculation and mistrust. What other breakthroughs are being quietly developed in the shadows? How will they impact our daily lives, and who will benefit from their applications? These questions demand a more nuanced and informed discussion, one that can only be achieved by shedding light on the developments that have been left out of the spotlight. As we delve deeper into the quarter's most significant AI breakthroughs, one particular development stands out as a major turning point. Google's announcement in late February about its new language model, Payoff, was met with a resounding silence from mainstream media outlets. This is particularly surprising considering the massive strides this technology has made in just a few short years. Payoff boasts an unprecedented level of language understanding and generation capabilities, outperforming even its predecessors like BERT and Roberta. With its unparalleled ability to grasp context and nuances of human language, Payoff represents a significant leap forward in AI's quest for true comprehension. The model has been fine-tuned on massive datasets, including the entirety of Wikipedia and books from Project Gutenberg. What makes this breakthrough even more remarkable is that it was achieved through a novel approach known as prefix tuning, which allows for significantly faster training times without sacrificing accuracy. This innovation paves the way for more efficient development of future AI models, opening up new possibilities in areas like natural language processing and dialogue systems. Industry insiders and researchers have been abuzz with excitement over Payoff's potential to revolutionize fields such as customer service chatbots, content generation tools, and even human-AI collaboration. Despite its groundbreaking nature, the announcement received relatively little attention from mainstream media outlets, leaving many in the tech community scratching their heads. This raises questions about the criteria used by journalists and publications when deciding which AI breakthroughs to cover. Is it a matter of sensationalism, or are there other factors at play? One thing is certain, Google's Payoff marks a significant milestone in AI research, and its impact will be felt for years to come. As we reflect on the biggest AI breakthroughs of Q1 2023, it's hard not to feel a sense of déjà vu. Despite the monumental advancements in the field, many have flown under the radar, overshadowed by more sensationalized news and flashy headlines. Take, for instance, Google's recent announcement of its latest language model.